Sawadika. Hello everyone, I am Kanchanegi from India and I love to be associated with Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts as an English teacher. Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts is indeed the best college which I've ever come across. This college not only nurtures, fosters, but actually cares for everyone and focuses on the overall development of the child. So come, let's explore and see what the college has to offer. On December 8, 1978, Sukhothai had proposed the information on the preparation about establishment of Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts to the Department of Fine Arts. The construction area was in the location of the Sukhothai New City, where was the old stadium between Sukhothai Vidya Home School and Sukhothai Hospital. It was approximately 27 to 30 hectares, and the Department of Fine Arts asked Sukhothai Province to mark and measure the constructing area for future plans. The Fine Arts Department sent architects and planned for construction of school buildings in the year 1980. Then on January 31, 1979, Ministry of Education had announced the establishment of the Regional College of Dramatic Arts to extend the study of national culture and arts in dramatic arts, music and vocalization. In accordance with Article 23 of the Notification of the Revolutionary Council No. 216, dated September 24, 1972, consists of the Roy Et College of Dramatic Arts and Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts, which belongs to Art Education Division, Fine Arts Department, Ministry of Education. The college manages the education programs from the primary level to advanced level certificate since 1979. In 1979, we started teaching at the buildings of the Sukhothai Technical College, and in 1980 and 1981 at the buildings of Sukhothai Vidya Home School, until we received the construction budget and had our own school buildings at last. All teachers and students moved to the present buildings. Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts had been belonging to many government sectors, such as the Institute of Dramatic Arts and Music, Fine Arts Department, Ministry of Education, and Pandit Pattana Sen Institute Fine Arts Department, Ministry of Education. Nowadays, Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts belongs to Pandit Pattana Sen Institute, Ministry of Culture, which is located at 4 Mu 5, Tambun, Bangkuai, Amphermang, Sukhothai, 64000. The total area is 41 to 47 hectares, and the main purpose is to provide and manage specific education on national arts and culture for students. The Academy has a special purpose to promote talents in music, dance, and singing from basic level to undergraduate level. There are 2 levels of education. First is the basic education level, that is junior high school and senior high school. That is Madhyam 1 to Madhyam 6 or grade 7 to grade 12. The higher education level, the undergraduate, is from year 1 to year 5 and the age of students is from 19 to 24. The educational courses include the basic education in music and dance, junior high school, basic education in music and dance, senior high school, Bachelor's of Education course that is for being teachers and that lasts for 5 years. The educational branches involve Thai dramatic arts, Thai dance, Thai music, Western music. And the higher education, the undergraduate level, which is for 5 years, involves the study in Thai dramatic arts, that is the Bachelor of Education, B.Ed, that is 5 years in higher education, and the study in music and Thai vocalization. The main majors involve the Khon mass dance, Thai dramatic arts, Thai music, Thai stringed band, Thai vocalization, and Western music. The majors in details are Khonpra, the hero, Giant, monkey, Pralakon, Nang, that is heroine, Abo, leather instruments, soprano xylophone, alto xylophone drums, circle gongs, zither, alto fiddle, soprano fiddle, Thai vocal female, Thai vocal male, guitar, violin, saxophone, trumpet, trombone, tuba, piano, keyboard and drums. The identity of Educational Institute is to continue creating arts work in music and dance, and our graduates are professional in artworks. The identity of college is that we are the leaders in various forms of artworks. Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts' vision is to always be the center of knowledge of dramatic arts, musical arts and vocal arts, which is widely acceptable in and outside the country. And the mission involves to provide education on dramatic arts, dancing, music and vocal arts from basic to advanced level, to do research, innovation, creative performance, knowledge management in culture and arts for the community, to be the center of cultural arts, information and academic service, to conserve, develop, continue and publicize culture and arts, to administrate and manage education structure in the ways of good governance, and to develop the organization to be ready for the ASEAN community. Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts follows certain strategies like to develop the arts in music and dance, dramatic arts and singing, so as to keep up the artistic quality and the standards which are recognized nationally and internationally. To promote the creation of research and innovation, knowledge management, music, dance, art and culture to be well recognized globally. To promote and develop educational service in music, dance, art and culture to community and society. To promote, develop, conserve and publicize the cultural heritage of dramatic arts. Last but not the least, to develop an effective corporate management to enter the ASEAN community. Dramatic and musical arts really bring prosperity to life and country. To get in touch with Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts, you can log on to cdask.bpi.ac.dh or registra registra.bpi.ac.th. Our address is Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts, 4-5 Bangkluai, Muang, Sukhothai 64000. Telephone contact 05561 1820 05561 1820. Our fax contact 05561 3508 05561 3508. Thank you. Though it has been a couple of few months that I have been associated with the Sukhothai family, I really wish to stay here for long. And trust me that this is the place which is home away from home. And I would really appreciate if you all would come and pay the visit to the college and feel the real essence. So till then, I, Kanchanegi, will sign off right now and wish you all the very best for your future. Do come and pay the visit at Sukhothai College of Dramatic Arts.